welcome to another ESL Resource Bank English lesson. In this video, we will learn how to politely decline an invitation. Sometimes, we can't accept an invitation due to various reasons. It's important to do this politely to maintain good relationships. We will look at 3 different scenarios where someone declines an invitation. Here are some key expressions you might use. I'm sorry, but. I wish I could, but. Unfortunately, I can't. Now, let's see these expressions in action. Example 1, social invitation, party. Characters, Anna and Mark.
Hey, Mark, I'm having a party at my place this Saturday. Would you like to come?
Hi Anna, I'm sorry, but I already have plans for Saturday. Maybe next time?
No problem, Mark. We'll definitely catch up another time.
Example 2, sports event invitation, basketball game. Characters, Sarah and John, co-workers.
Hey, John, a few of us from the office are going to the basketball game on Friday. Do you want to join us?
I wish I could, Sarah, but I have a project deadline to meet. Thanks for inviting me, though.
I understand, John. Maybe next time.
Example 3, performance invitation. Characters, Emily and David.
David, there's a poetry reading at the local cafe on Sunday. Would you like to go with me?
Unfortunately, I can't make it, Emily. I have other commitments that day. But thanks for thinking of me.
That's okay, David. Maybe another time.
Conclusion. As we've seen, there are different ways to politely decline an invitation without offending the person who invited you. Remember to always be polite and appreciative. The key expressions we used were, I'm sorry, but. I wish I could, but. Unfortunately, I can't. Practice these phrases and you will be able to handle any invitation politely. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.